Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with the vehicle on and the head unit active. This ensures menus are writable. Once on, press Settings and choose Bluetooth so you see paired devices. You want to find the exact device name, match the phone Bluetooth name, model, or last connection time. If the list is long, scroll slowly and tap to highlight. Make sure you do not confuse similar names. Selecting the wrong entry could remove the wrong phone. Once you select the device, choose Remove or Unpair and confirm the prompt. This tells the head unit to forget the pairing keys. You should wait until the unit shows a success message, because premature actions can leave partial data. At the same time, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and delete the Fortuner entry so no automatic reconnect occurs. If prompted for a code on either side, cancel. You are removing, not pairing. To complete the process, restart the head unit or turn ignition off then on. This clears transient memory and confirms the device is gone. Make sure the phone cannot reconnect automatically. If it can, repeat the delete on both sides and disable auto reconnect on the phone. If the device still reappears, check for head unit software updates, and as a last resort, perform a Bluetooth reset or factory restore.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.